J Rossi Beats.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finished with the wig. It's probably looking a little ashy right here because I just put some powder and then I put some of my mousse on it, so it has to kind of melt in. But once it does that, it be looking extra fly. But you know, when you first put the powder, it's like real ghostly, just like with your face. Like you gotta set it with some type of water or something that's wet, and I just use some of this and then I'm gonna tie it up. But okay, so these are all my curls. As y'all know, Dsoar hair is lit AF. I'm gonna give you the info really quick and then we're gonna brush it out and talk about this hair. So let's see. So this hair that I have is the Peruvian Straight. I have a 26, 26, 24, 22 and a 20-inch frontal. That is a lot of bundles, especially with a frontal. With a frontal you can get away with 3 bundles, but I ended up using a lot of the hair. I ended up using quite a bit of the hair. This is what I had left over, so this is probably like half of the shorter length that I had left over. So So yeah, this is how the hair looks initially. It's very straight and silky. I wore it straight for a couple of days, but y'all, let me tell y'all real quick. I had some issues because I forgot I put like a lot of oil in my hair when I washed it. So whenever I was putting my wig on, the gel was not sticking, and I was like, oh my god. I was trying to use some different gel, like I tried to mix two together thinking I'm coming up with like a secret concoction. No honey, that gel was not sticking. So I'm like, okay, this don't work good together, like it's just sliding out. I'm thinking it's the gel. The gel probably works amazing together. I'm gonna have to try it again, but basically it was because I had the oil on my hair, so it started lifting up, and I just kept putting more gel, more spray, and it was like still lifting up. So of course it was like piled up with a bunch of gel and a bunch of spray, and finally it decided to stick down. And I'm still not thinking like, why is it not sticking? Because of the oil in my hair. I never thought about that. But then, you know, I got this cake up or whatever in my head, so then I just ended up rocking with it, kind of cleaning up the edges, and it looked decent. Wore that for a day. The next day it was lifting a little bit more, and I put some more spray and gel because I'm like, I don't know why this not sticking. Like, I don't have time to be taking off this whole wig, washing the lace, reapplying it, all of that, right? So I did that, and I'm like, all right, cool. Tomorrow I'm just gonna take it off, wash it, and reapply my wig because it's the oil. Like, I gotta reapply it, and I gotta wash the lace because once the lace is all gunked up, you gotta wash that off. So I'm like, okay, cool. I get up this morning for work, and as soon as I take my scarf off, the wig is coming off. Like, all on this side, the wig is just falling off. And I was like, oh my god. So I had to use gel and spritz to get the wig back down because I definitely didn't have time this morning to like redo the whole thing. But yeah, that's my little backstory. But this is the hair, and I'm just gonna comb it out. I used the bigger one curl barrel than I normally use. I usually use like a small one, but since this hair is long and stuff, I knew that I had room to be able to do that, and I kind of wanted bigger, more luscious curls. And I also sprayed this spray in my hair to kind of set it, because this hair is so silky and it is straight hair usually does not hold curls as good as like a wavy or like body wave hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna finger comb it out. I don't want to comb it out too much because I'm just going to bed. Like, I'm not going nowhere tonight, y'all. So it's really pretty and full. I put a lot of layers in this hair, so that's mainly what this video is about. Me layering my hair and wand curling it. But yeah, it's really pretty. I still kind of need to tie down this top part to get it nice and flat the way that I like it to be. But it's really pretty. I feel like one of those Instagram guys did this hair, because all of the Instagram guys be slaying the hell out of some hair. Let me not say all, but a lot of them do. I get a lot of my hair ideas from Tay, Arrogant Tay, who is now doing Nicki Minaj's hair. But I had been following him quite a time before that, probably like a year or so. But yeah, this hair is so pretty, silky, and it's long. 26 inches is my favorite length. It falls perfect on me. I'm 4'11". Sorry y'all, but my room is kind of a mess because I'm still trying to put things away and it's kind of all over the place. But this is the hair. I like the way that the curls came out because I didn't want it too tight. Y'all, Versace looking at me crazy like, honey, who you talking to? I don't really mind the baby hairs area because I know it looks ghostly because I just put the powder. But other than that, once that sets and it melts into the skin, you are not going to be able to tell, and everything going to be looking extra lit. The part is nice. I did use my hot comb, and then this little part's that's sticking up, I'll probably take my hot comb to it real quick just to set it exactly the way that I want it to be. And right here, it's kind of not exactly how I want it, so I'll probably just run the hot comb over those few little areas real quick. I'll probably be back with another different kind of tutorial. At first I did do this hair in the middle part, but it wasn't coming out the way that I wanted, and it wasn't sticking because of the freaking oil. But I don't even need that hot comb. Probably be back with a different tutorial. Like I said, I tried to do a middle part at first because that's initially kind of what I wanted, but then I rocked the side part for 2 days. So I will probably do another side part and do that low ponytail style for you, dolls, so you can see how to do that with a wig. I don't know what day I'm gonna do that because I want to wear this hairstyle for a little bit, maybe for the rest of the week. Today is Tuesday, so I may wait until next week to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna be back with a different style in this hair for sure. I love Dsoar hair. As y'all know, I love Dsoar. This is not my first time testing out their hair, so you definitely have to go and check them out. The hair is so silky and nice. Like, I went to Walmart yesterday and I couldn't even get to where I was going to find what I went there to get before this girl was like busting up to me like, where did you get your hair from? And I had to think, like, because you guys know I'm like doing so many different hair reviews. I'm like, wait, what hair do I have in? I was like, I don't even know. And then I was like, let me think. And I was like, it's from Dsoar. And she was like, Dsoar. And I was like, yes, yeah, it's an online company. Like, people don't know around this area. They, like, really, a lot of people that live in my area, they only shop from local hair suppliers or vendors or whatever. They don't usually order online from companies that they've never heard of, like, which is weird to me because everybody is ordering hair online on YouTube and stuff, so, or doing reviews, you know, all of that type of jazz. So yeah, I love how my hair just turned out. It looks so pretty, nice and flawless. The only thing is I have to let my powder melt into my skin. Oh, y'all hear that? You know, I use my comb. I still like to do that sometimes. I don't know why, but for some reason this little side always sticks up more. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse on it to kind of lay it. So yeah, dolls, that is it for this video. If you dolls have questions, leave them down below. Like I said, I will be back with this hair some more so you dolls can see other ways to work it or whatever. Sorry I can't stop playing in it, but I just did it, so you know, perfection. Sorry I didn't have my makeup on too, but I had to wash my frontal and then I had to wash my hairline to get all that gel and stuff off. So, you know, my eyebrows started coming off. That wasn't cute, so I just took it off, honey. And I need to do a mask anyway because what is that? Like, the time of the month is approaching, you know, I'm getting a little breakout. You can't really see it. It was red at the beginning of the video, but I put a little makeup over it because y'all is not about to be clocking me. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you guys have questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Dsoar hair. I will have all the links down below for you guys. Bye, dolls. And this is the Balenciaga sandal because this is literally like, you know. Now let me just tell you guys, on the Gucci website, these are all shapes